Hey everyone, Oliver from Data Academy here. In today's video, we're going to be learning about the input function in Python. The input function helps us take input from the user. And to use the input function, we just use input and then parentheses after because it's a function. However, if we write it like this, we are taking input from the user, but we're not storing it anywhere because we need a variable to keep it in. If you're not yet familiar with variables, you can press the top right corner of this video to learn more. So let's first make a variable called name, and this is going to ask the user for their name. So when we run this code, on this side, when I type my name, the program is finished running. Now nothing happens because we're not printing it, so now let's print their name. Now it's giving me my name back. One parameter we can use to make this more clear for our users is a prompt. So inside here we can write type your name, and we put the colon and a space after to make it look a little nicer. Now on the right side, it tells us to type our name, and then it prints it out for us. So with what we learned last video for print, we can write print your name is, and then use a comma, and then write name. And now when I type in my name, it's going to say your name is Oliver. That's correct. So now let's move into a small problem. We're going to make a program that's going to ask the user for four things: their name, their age, their company, and their role within the company. And then using one print statement, we're going to say your name is whatever, your age is however old, you work at this company as this. Now you can pause the video and try this on your own, and unpause when you're ready to see the solution. Alright, so I'm going to explain this solution in two parts. The first part is getting our inputs. I have four input statements, and we're getting the name, age, company, and role of our user. And one interesting thing you may have noticed is I'm using an F string in the role line, which is the fourth line right here. And we've gone over this in a previous video, but in the next tutorial we're going to go more in depth, and I'm going to teach you guys all about F strings. So this is how I would do the first part. And now the second part of printing it out would look like this. And once again, this is an F string. We're going to go more in detail into that next time. And you may notice I'm using triple quotes, and the reason for that is because I want to split this across two lines. If it's on one line, it's going to extend all the way there, and I don't want it to look like that. And it also looks nicer if I just put it on two lines. So when we run our code, this is what we get. What is your name? It's Oliver. I am 17, and I work at Data Academy as an instructor. Your name is Oliver, you are 17 years old, and you work at Data Academy as an instructor. That is perfect. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If this helped, be sure to come back next time when we learn about F strings. Thanks for watching, and see you guys all next time.